Hey guys, Capcut offers a simple way to adjust the speed of the video to your preferences. To do so on your phone, simply follow the steps. 1. Begin by selecting a new project or an existing project. 2. Tap on the video to access the speed icon located at the bottom. 3. Click on the speed icon to open the video speed bar. 4. Use the speed bar to adjust the playback speed of the video. The available speed ranges from 0.1 to 100. The steps above show you how you can adjust your video speed to precise levels. You can use the speed bar to experiment as well, to see if the video you are trying to adjust is good. That's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Hey guys, and welcome back to Mobile Guide. In this video, I am going